Hey guys, this is your guy Paul. Now, kuna hii issue imekuwa ya Ebola. Now, I want to bring attention to you. Now, back in 2020, when the COVID came, that was late 2019, 2020 hapo. So many people were left without places they can call home. And so many of you actually had to go to your home, to your villages, cause wengi kazi zilikuwa zimefungwa. Wale walikuwa in companies, companies had closed, so generally you could not be able to have a place, and you could not be able to pay your rent, and that was a wake up call, and so many of you actually came and bought plots. Niliuza plots mingi sana hiyo wakati, na watu wakakuja wakajenga manyumba, wengine wakajenga manyumba za mabati, and they relocated there. Wengine wakajenga, acha niwaonyeshe kama gani, kama there is one there ya mabati kama hiyo, unaona hako chini hiyo ya red, wakajenga nyumba kama hizo, and they settled there, yeah? And they stopped paying rent. So what am I trying to say? What I'm saying is it's always good to have a security, a plan. Have security, have a plan for your family or for yourself. So before we even encounter such a pandemic like COVID or Ebola, have a place you can go and stay, penye hauitishwe na mtu rent. So that is why nawauzia plot hapa. Hii ni Kitengela Milimani, a place known as Magharibi. So hapa Magharibi, hizi ploti 50 by 100 na kupea na bei ya 1.1 cash price. Hiyo cash price unalipa mara moja, unapatiwa title yako. Kama unataka installments ama payment plan, it is 1.2. Unalipa 50% deposit, balance tunakupea miezi 6. Sijui tunaelewana mpaka hapo. So kama unahitaji plot, you want somewhere safe, come for a plot. Sawa sawa? Yes, number on bio for site visit.